yes waka bibi asam na wo court me mpese me ye waka asem bi a a bit insensitive etie no omo mienu na de sa ha adwe ne se mai bi ade mu nsedan hu achim kwa de se Obama police for mo mu gina ho police commander penyini pa office eno mu twa efonyini no wuntimi refuse was a ye twa for the records no problem etia no wuntimi nkova wo face gina ho kama ne ntwa na police ne de camera esi mrante so twa picture krek police ni a official police photographer and wo try no mo de publish say nipa we ya chom the custody of Ghana Police Service. It is actually not against more rules of engagement. Na momo no omo kata omanim. Omo kata omanim no okay. Any 10 minutes na NDC for social media platforms original pictures no omo circulate on NDC for social media platform. Who sent the pictures to NDC for social media platform? Who sent the pictures?
The police command should arrest the police officer who used their phone to slap.
And the commander na should be worried to say, wow, commander penimu to say office. Nya betwam fonyini na ye de mo se mo de from records ma publish it ma sensor ni mu no kama no problem. But eye dan na NDC for etiminya original pictures of say Obama Pukuase any achimkwa. The same pictures amode mukata omanim, the same pictures and NDC for nyai. And today you come and tell us at DJ Press Center say matching for 8 on the silent. Sir, Jomaha mama ya jemo so ye boni ayenka. Nana Akufo-Addo ma wo da ho di bread crump. And this for fan call France and e ka wo Ghana and a command panyin na ko ko oboase a as if say e ka fa kon no e ko be free Accra akọ oboase. Are you okay? Are you okay? Now all of a sudden, we are no longer talking about retooling the Ghana armed forces and all security agents, fire service, police service, and all of a sudden discussion about say, my presidential jet, no, and I say, I can't want some. Say, make you want me that discussion can be held on a different day, but not today, because any subject matter. And right, my police work was Singapore or Japan. Na ya hono ma you see of the commercial flights ebeko enye said open air choice ana meboa Nana Akufo-Addo obeya omampanyin what say what time obeta ni fie woni ma enye hono what if your foreign affairs minister when you so aban ka meboa
flight no man FI no pictures ni enim ne so omampanyin tu kwan bia enka ne communications for no maji 72 billion no de eye omunnioma omu kogina ho airport wo etwa wa bra president afo a owe
ya no pode eye normal practice say omampanyi etu kwan a oduru ofro a minister case do just panaka
exactly no we bi hu say omampanyi na
omampanyi ko
yes
and
we bi no kama anano Trump eko ekosia ye
fa Alaska yi
ni presidential be gina ho na wafo
yes
na wakoja na we wevi the security say me ko mo hwe say me ko na omampani de wan
na nyina koso afede ba ya ye so mampani na wo ko no wa stranded wo Dubai for 22 hours ana me say me pacho wo 22 hours dey say layover wo koda
of course
etino president brand protocol officers no na itinerary no did he know say obeda Dubai na
22 hours
I
was saying no cry ye mass of mine
say president no if he wasn't told we say obeda Dubai 22 hours there I was say the head of your friend say protocol that's was sacked no
of course
because under no circumstance yes be emergency be for you to go and keep the president in Dubai for 22 hours. Now
the president or mampeni
so the 22
hours intended
except protocol officer
yes if it was even intended so do ya know say be say busa mo competence
whether intended or not intended o e was Ghana for sorry bisa say e no mampeni ko ye wo Dubai for 22 hours.
a question a legitimate.
What do you know about to no crime? A cost implication.
Of course. Unless it's
with entourage.
Yes.
Because with all the entourage.
So did they
that cost was it factored in the budget they sent to Parliament for the trip?
With him. And then Kasama for my by Phyllis Quachu for was say and yet 22 hours be and you bet 11 12 hours be.
No careful.
And I'm saying
careful. Plane I go Dubai airport. Yet now 1 hour cry careful.
And
now no Mrs. Free China ever Okofa Egypt Egypt we are bad as a carry. Me go body play this.
I want try Emarok. Emarok ko dey ahomachi o. Ahomachi be to free airport no be 4:30 na we to imagine time na we check in. Huh? One try Emarok no go say yes.
Your mama everybody dey any incompetent people around you.
President Mahama say you no wa opt for say o be fa commercial flight. Enye hwe. Mama ne fa commercial on case wa bre. So the discussion to get a new presidential jet for the use of the presidency, no, it doesn't arise. It should cease. It should cease with immediate alacrity. Immediate alacrity. The discussion on the purchase of a new presidential jet should cease with immediate alacrity. Yeah, because on my opinion, what day? Also, bet me, when your train go bet me on your bicycle.
Say the presidential jet, you bet me use for 2030 up to 2030.
What this scenario? How much the word pristine? Pristine. The word pristine. Now, you chat the cassette. If somebody is in the pristine conditioner, as say. Because last year,
almost say a plane no you fit for people.
Yes, and you mentioned I say any power more authority and na Akufo-Addo. A tran troti and egu na Akufo-Addo so. Egu na Akufo-Addo enimu egu ni hu fie no. Yakopon. Woni na Yakopon ni asese se
oginidi.
Wa chese wo so. Wa mo ye nneema tia na Akufo-Addo nyina no. Wa mo in the odomase position bi a now they are going to suffer huge humiliation.
Yeah.
Broja Jamfi. Broja Jamfi first wakasa na and then Broja Jamfi a deputy defense minister, right?
Yes.
Broja Jamfi na nrechi ya was say Ghana the whole Africa. Yeah, presidential jet for the Falcon no. Also 3. The whole Africa best presidential flight in Africa. Yeah, they also 3. Enrechi an okaye in opposition. All of a sudden, the Obadia was planning to mean to be. So, Okuye to black quacker opposition say, Oba Bemua, Nana Bemu ni pana president. A black was say, your Falcon, the presidential jet was in a pristine condition.
Yeah.
Hey, I then as I say, a move from pristine condition to tattered condition.
Omanebo abijina parliament. Right side one colluded, left side heavy colluded. Or colluded plane in wie. And I said the plane and I'm going to scrap it. Alumia,
me pacho.
And you start playing with your mama a day 1.5 million music boom here we are.
Now me person me bisa say time no si play na tete happen sam no. Eko France no pacho ye be toko ya na say ye be see play for from
and the pens are crack because play ni free Ghana match here mu and free Ghana Eko France for routine maintenance. Aye day na play let me to free Ghana
Anko Togo Eko France. How many hours to France? Not less than 7 hours.
They know a team no onye nipa ho. Pilot no onye nipa.
You run a goon no dey call.
And be remote controlled.
Tesla.
I think so. Mo hwe ye wo ba bibia mo busa se achemkwa menua achemkwa na asem na kosi se no last week and then I watch ye court and na ye court no ya wada no and na judge no you could plead say o my bill led by lawyer Afuakwa wo ye lawyer wa be papa na ho bra se woni mu ne ba na ni so den kasa kama judge ne say o my bill na waye bi da saa se mi bi ti saa se beto nanim na waye bi da na de waye bi da so de ye ba omo ye oral application for bail no wa ma udina ba ko ni bail yes when they came on notice no na waye o man ba ko bail eti na de na wo si ti wo man bail eti won ko da baabi na ade eche ne mum wo mra yes eti na ekwa ya application no abusafo ye ko ya ye say the court is not sitting yeah ene ye ko ya omo say the court is not sitting jaja watena dwam ama wawadi asem se wadi na ni bail na because why ye bida enti ene na ye mfa ne